Hello, here I am doing a video about how to do a video. You can have two methods. First one is on Slack. You have the chance to, if you have the Pro version, which Cine Global does, you can click on record a video and then we will need to access the camera, which I can't do now because I'm using it on a different recording platform. And then you can record. And also you can say it should record the entire then does this and records whatever you do on the entire screen. And when you stop it, you then have the entire screen. Press done and it's already in a message. So you can record it on a specific message, like sharing an audio message. So that's number one. So here's the second way, whereby you need program Active Presenter, which you can download from atomisystems.com. Download or just put into Google Active Presenter. And then the first thing that should come up is how to download it. It's free and works really well. So you can download the version that is for your system. And then you open it. Looks like this. It can do many, many different things, which I've never really used. All you really need is here, record video, and this comes up. So then normally it shows you a video, but now my video is already in use, so I can't use it. Make sure your audio, you have selected the right thing. That has been learning the hard way sometimes, that maybe I plugged in something or plugged out something, and then I thought the audio is going to be recorded. And then I did a 10-minute video recording something, and then I realized in the end there was no audio. So I had to do everything again. So make sure that you test it a bit, that here something is showing when you speak. And then you can change resolutions and all that. You don't really need that so much, but you can either select full screen or custom, and that's going to be really helpful. So I've selected custom, which you can see here. There's a blue box, and you can change the blue box. So this is what is going to be recorded. So you can make it as specific as you want. So for example, I normally don't record down the bar. I don't record up the bar, because especially if you're going to record something that, for example, an Excel sheet has a lot of details, the bigger the screen, the bigger also for the viewer, the easier to see. And also keep that in mind. So for example, here with this sheet, now if I record it like this, it will be really small for the viewer, the audience. So before I should maybe make it bigger, maybe like this. It's easier for somebody now to see the numbers, because also not everyone is going to watch maybe the video in the highest resolution. So it makes it more harder to see. So the bigger the letters, the better, or the easier for the person viewing. And then basically, if I've selected now the window I want to record, I just press here record, and then it is recording. It gives me 3 seconds to countdown, and then it starts. And it already told you to end it, you have to press Control and End. And then it ends and comes back to the screen. Well, now it tells me I couldn't record the webcam because it's already in use. But then you get this. And from here, you can edit in something, but you don't really need that. All you need now from here is just go to Export, click Video, and then you can here make some changes that can be helpful. For example, the quality. So if 100%, the quality is really good, but it also means the video is going to be heavy. If the video is like 10 or 15 minutes long, it's going to be like 500 megabyte, even potentially a gigabyte big. So if you reduce the quality, the video will get smaller and smaller and smaller, but also the quality will get less and less and less. So it depends what you have recorded and if it is helpful to have less data or to have more quality. So you can choose, and then from here you just basically potentially select the folder where you want to have it saved. Let's say here I want to have it saved in the desktop and give it name test1, and then I just click OK, and now it's going to be processing the video, which if it's a long video can take some minutes, also depending on the computer you have and how good it can process quickly. And then when it is done, it's done. So now I can open the window where I saved it, in this case the desktop, and here's the video. And I can maybe play it before and it works. And now if I want to include it in a message, then basically I just need to upload it to my message. That's it.